Hi everyone. So today we will start with a new lesson, which is reproduction in mammals. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to describe the mammal's reproduction and to recognize the benefits of the womb. Reproduction in mammals. Mammals, الثدييات, they are vertebrates that reproduce sexually by giving birth. In mammals, fertilization can occur when an adult male and female mate, producing a fertilized egg which changes into a fetus. The fetus starts to develop inside the mother's womb. So, if we look here, we have a female sheep and a male sheep. After the mating, تزاوج of the female and the male sheep, we will obtain a fertilized egg. This fertilized egg, it changes into a fetus. Okay, so this fetus, هذا الجنين, develop inside the mother's womb. يعني mother's womb هو الأحشاء، هو الرحم الأم. Characteristics of mammals. So mammals, they give birth, they produce milk to feed their young. So here, this is the female sheep and this is the baby. So the female produce milk for the young babies to eat. They have fur and hair. So this is the fur. Phases of reproduction in mammals. The first phase is the mating, where the male and the female mates. Then, fertilization occurs to produce a zygote or a fertilized egg. After the mating, we will have fertilization. Okay, the zygote will change into a fetus. So, this fertilized egg will become a fetus. Then we will have growth and development of the fetus in the mother's uterus, which is called, we have what we call the gestation period. اليوترس هو الرحم. After that, we have development of the fetus will become complete. So development of fetus is complete, and when this development is complete, we have the delivery. The delivery occurs and giving birth to a small mammals. Delivery هو الولادة. So let's look at this figure. We see that this figure talks about reproduction in dogs. We have a male dog and a female dog. Upon mating of the male and the female, this male will give what we call the sperm sex cell, and the female will have the ovule, which is the female sex cell. This mating will give a fertilized egg, which is when the sperm enters to the ovule, which gives the fertilized egg or the zygote. After that, this fertilized egg will become a fetus. So this is the fetus in the uterus, and this one is the umbilical cord, which is الحبل السري. After the gestation period, which is a duration, this fetus will become complete and will give a baby dog. Now we will have some definitions. We will start with the uterus or the womb. It is an organ responsible for the growth and development of the fetus. It is organ which the main role of it is to guide or to help in the growth and the development of the fetus. The gestation period is the time needed for the fetus to develop in the womb. The gestation period in humans is 9 months. Umbilical cord, it is a tube that allows the exchange of nutrients and respiratory gases between the mother and the fetus. So the umbilical cord connects the baby in the womb with its mother. This umbilical cord اللي هو الحبل السري, it connects يعني بيربط the baby with the mother. The fetus gets its nutrients from the mother's blood. All the nutrients that a baby needs, he takes it from the mother's blood. The mother's womb provides the fetus with important conditions for normal growth. So this womb, it gives for the baby nutrition and respiration, and also it gives it warmth and protection. This is a baby in a mother's womb where he can get all its needs from nutrients, respiration, gases, and it protects it. So it gives the womb gives all the needs for the fetus. Relation between the size of mammals and the gestation period. So, mammals have different gestation periods. As the size of the animal increases, the gestation period increases. For example, the gestation period of elephant is longer than the gestation period of mouse. So, the gestation period اللي هي فترة الحمل in elephants is longer than that in mouse because the size of the elephant is much bigger than the size of the mouse. Here we will have a table which shows the gestation period and the number of young in some mammals. So if we look at the animals, we have cat. The number of days is 65 days, where the number of young is 3 to 6 young babies. So, for example, this cat has a gestation period of 65 days and it can give babies from 3 to 6. Whereas, if we look to the cow, for example, or to the elephant, this elephant, which has much bigger size from the cat, it takes more time. So the gestation period for this elephant is 625 days and it only gives one elephant. So if we look here, first we see that in the cat the gestation period is much smaller than that in the elephant because the size of the cat is much smaller than that of the elephant. And also we can look that the number of youngs that a cat can give is 3 to 6 cats, whereas the elephant it only can give birth to only one elephant. By this, we reached our end of the lecture. I hope from all of you to stay home and stay safe. Bye bye.